Hey guys, today I wanted to come on here and do a review on the Jaclyn Hill Mystery Box lip set. Alright, so I wanted to come on here. It's the day after Valentine's Day, so I'm still, living my best Valentine's Day life. And I wanted to go ahead and come on here because I did receive my Jaclyn Hill mystery box. I was only able to get the lip set. Everything else sold out even before the actual launch time. And I actually had the full set in my cart before 2 p.m. even rolled around. And when I went to check out, it said it was sold out already. I was able to snag the lipstick bundle. So I went ahead and got that. And I wanted to show you guys the lipsticks that are in here. I'm gonna put one on my lips so we can see how it wears. And I'm also gonna swatch the rest of them for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. I know that if you know about Jaclyn Hill, she's had some ups and downs with her previous makeup launches. I love her setting powder personally. Her first launch wasn't a great hit. She had issues with her previous lipsticks and things like that. So everyone was really curious to see what these mystery boxes were gonna be because she really hasn't posted any launches in, I think it's been over a year. COVID happened and all of that is what she's kind of saying. And she did have a lot of issues, like I said, with previous launches. So she went ahead and decided to still launch these Valentine's Day mystery boxes. So it was amazingly priced. I'm assuming she didn't think that it was gonna be as popular as it was, so she didn't have a whole lot of them. And like I said, there was an issue with it releasing early on the website, so people were able to get it even before it was technically posted that it was supposed to launch. But like I said, I was able to snag one, so we're gonna go ahead and look at it. So this is the box right here. The box and packaging is super cute. It's got little question marks all over it, red and white with the theme, has her logo on it. The box it came in, it was packaged really well, I'll say. And the box that it came in, has her logos and everything like that. So it is a nicely packaged product. When you open it up, it looks really pretty in here. It's got the nice confetti filling. And then the packaging itself is really, really gorgeous. And she did post a couple sneaks beforehand, so we had a kind of an idea of what these were gonna look like because everyone was kind of apprehensive about her coming out with lipsticks and mystery boxes. I think she went ahead and showed us a lot more sneaks than she was planning on because she wanted to reassure people that it was gonna be worth it. But the packaging is gorgeous. So this is the 3 lipstick set here. And then this is the lip gloss that came with it as well. And it's named 24 karat for the lip gloss, so it's probably, I'm gonna assume, be a gold type gloss. And then the other lipsticks in here, it's a true red here in the middle, more of an orangey red, and then a darker red here, a brick red. And the names on these are Clingy for the orangey red, Committed for the true red, and then Boy Bye for the darker brick red. And they are really pretty. The tubes are really pretty, I'll say. The packaging, I'm impressed. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna put this true red on my lips so that you guys can really see what it looks like on lips. And then I'll go ahead and swatch the other 2 on my arm so you can still see the color. And we'll just kind of check out the formula, see what we think. And then I'll do the same thing with the gloss. I'll probably put the gloss over top of my lipstick so that, again, we can see how it looks over top, as a topper. And let's go ahead. I always drop stuff. I'm always dropping stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out so I can show you this. So this, instead of being round, is square, which is super cute. It looks pretty clear. Yeah, so it's clear and it's glittery. Oh, we're gonna have to see how it wears on the lip because it feels really thick. And it smells like minty, which is nice. It doesn't have a weird smell or anything. So that's the lip gloss and we'll come back to that. So it does have that really popular trendy foot on the lipstick end, which does help you apply the lipstick on really well. So as far as the tip goes, I really like the applicators. This Jeffree Star's applicator is very similar to this, and a couple other brands have this little foot on the lipstick, and it really does help put it on. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on and we will talk about it. Okay, so I went ahead and put it on, and reds always make me so nervous because I feel if you get it in the wrong spot, it's so much harder to correct it and not end up having pink around your mouth. But I was able to get it on. It was really easy to apply, and I will say it did need 2 coats because it is a little bit of a thinner formula, but it dries instantly, and it feels already it's completely dry. So I feel it's probably pretty good. I'm gonna go like this just to see how we're looking. yeah, it's not coming off, which is awesome. Like I don't see, there's like a little fleck, but nothing, which hopefully means that it's gonna be mask proof because I have to wear masks all the time and I've like given up on wearing lipstick. But I will say, like, it feels really nice. It feels really light. I don't feel like I have a ton of product on my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these other two for you so you can see what the shades are. I would even almost use this one to kind of give my lips an ombre kind of look, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So we'll go ahead and swatch these for you and you can see what they look like. All right, so here they are. So like I said, this one right here is the orangey red one, and then this one here is like the darker brick brown red. Same formula, they're still kind of drying. I did the 2 coats just like I did on my lips, and like I said, this is the really true red one. So the last thing that I just wanted to try out with you guys is this lip gloss. It seems very thick. Oh, and it's taking off some of the lipstick when I'm using it. So I don't feel like this was made to be like a topper. More like it was really made more to be on its own, because it's literally gonna stain the foot red on this. And this one doesn't have the same foot, it just has like that classic lip gloss stick. It does make the, I mean, like, it does make the lipstick look really nice and shiny and pretty, and it gives it like this gold kind of shimmer, but it is like staining. So I feel like I want to wipe this off before I put it back in, because I don't want it to make the lip gloss turn like a pink color over time. I could see that being an issue. It does feel nice on my lips. Like, it does feel a little bit thick when I put it on. And yeah, it's already starting, like, you can't put this on top of the lip gloss and then put it back in like ever, because it's already starting to like change the color of the lip gloss itself because of how thick it is. It's not really meant to like glide on top of the lip gloss, I feel like. So that's the only downside to it. I think it would be really nice like by itself, but it does make like the lipstick look really shiny and like make it pop and feel nice, and my lips aren't sticking together. So I do like the formula itself. I just wish that it was more like of a topper, because it's coming with those liquid lipsticks. You would think that you'd be able to use it with them, but it's a little bit, I don't know, it just messes up the coloring of the lip gloss. So I guess if you're always using it with those 3 red lipsticks, it wouldn't really matter, but you're not gonna be able to go and use it on a different lipstick because it's gonna give it like a pinky tone to it. Okay, so that's it. Like I said, I wasn't able to get the highlighters, which I'm super bummed about because I'm obsessed with highlighters, but it is what it is. I'm definitely gonna be looking forward to her next launch. We did get an email a couple days after this launch saying that she's gonna be releasing some stuff in Ulta soon, so that's exciting. I know for all of you out there who are frustrated that you weren't able to get anything, it seems like she's really planning on releasing a lot of stuff this year, and hopefully if the quality continues to stay consistent, we're probably looking at seeing some really nice products from her, and I'm super excited about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notifications on any videos I do in the future. And if you liked this video, give me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.